Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to introduce you to a new collab me and Mrs. Gigi will be doing with y'all. The collab is called No New November Junk Journal Challenge. What me and Mrs. Gigi are going to do through the month of November together with you all is make a true junk journal made from just junk mail. Uh, they the junk journal will be making. We will be making. This is a list of things that need to be collected. Okay, but what you see on the list is all that we will be using. Junk mail, toilet paper roll, and clothing tags, just as examples. Everyone will be in a junk journal. Everything will be in junk journal form. I'm sorry. Um, we will have junk mail laying. We all have junk mail laying around, ready to be used. Me and Mrs. Gigi are going to use our lives on Wednesday and Thursday to work on some of the prompts with you all through the month of November. Along with the live, we're also going to have pre-recorded videos using every prompt you see listed here. Okay? Throughout November, we will be making this beautiful junk journal with you all. I will list the link as to where you can find us in the description box below and also in the comment section. I will pin that comment in the comment section. Okay, start gathering all of your supplies, junk mail for this project. This will be a really awesome and fun time for us all through the month of November. They will all thank you all for joining us in this awesome challenge. Now, I will be posting this in my group, and Mrs. Gigi will be posting it her group. Okay? So, this is what we're going to be using. I'm going to have this scrolling on my video so y'all will know. Because this is not showing the whole, the thing up close. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live or do a, what they call it. I forgot. It'll come to me. But thank you all for watching. I will see you all. A premiere. There you go. A premiere. I told you it will come. uh, thank you all for watching. Please like, blah, blah, blah. Rewind. Please be kind. Be caring. Be safe. Be crafty. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.